What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Low Tech. As you see, we are now at the Overland Systems rigs and Red Bull event. It's my first time here. I've never been to like a truck event. I'm actually pretty excited to be walking around and show you guys these cool builds. A lot of things that you see on these trucks I want to do to this one. So man, I'm jealous. Just seeing some of these setups already is pretty sick. I want an awning just like that. Yeah, so beautiful. George was supposed to come, but he slept in. Damn.
This is what you need for your rock.
This is definitely what we need. And these two look.
I need some of those, but I like this. Look.
Rock sliders.
It's like,
I want rock sliders.
it's not
Like this, TRD. So dope. And I got more Tacomas pulling in. Oh, stock Tacoma, yeah, we're not alone.
We're all just parking here.
We're not alone. Honestly, coming to this event, I thought I was gonna be the only stock Tacoma, but we ain't. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, park next to us. We're not alone. That's sick. Yeah. That's so fucking sick.
Look at it, it's locked up.
Yeah, sunglasses. This is something that I really want to get for the Tacoma, an awning soon. First I need to get lift kit. Ah, I can't wait to have a setup like this. Look, a little shower. I really love this setup. These wheels. These are actually the wheels that I want to get for the Tacoma, but in bronze. These are so fucking sick. They look like Workmeisters. King shocks. Man, I love these setups. I'm fucking jealous. I hate that I'm being so impatient and I want to, like, I'm not gonna do it, but I want to sell a car just so I can hurry up and do this kind of mods to the Tacoma, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Relax. I don't want to hear you guys in the comments going off on me. I won't do it. I love my cars too much. I will never get rid of them. It's raining water. Is that why you're under there? Damn, it's starting to come down. Very unfortunate. Oh, so sick. They got the right idea. Yep. Can't make trucks look cute. They gotta look badass. See, I like those rock sliders.
I don't like
These right here.
I don't like this. I want it to be flush though.
Nah, those are whack. You don't want that. You can get caught up on rocks. This is what I want.
Look, they're already different.
But I feel like those protect more, so I might go more with that
I
style.
like that one, yeah.
That shit's sick. I love that color combo. It looks familiar, huh? It is raining way too much, so we had to come back inside the truck. We're gonna kind of wait it out for this rain to calm down. But god damn, it would be huge. It is now the next day. The event that I went to yesterday was a great success. I kind of hate that I went because now I feel like spending way more money than I originally wanted to spend, but I don't know. I am inspired though. There's a lot of fucking money thrown at those trucks that you saw at the event. Cool turnout. I enjoyed it. Me and my girl went. It started pouring pretty hard, so we called it. We were there for a couple hours and left. Before I end this video, we are gonna do a quick little install on the Tacoma. I don't know if you guys remember when I installed the new taillights on the Tacoma, I did say that they were growing on me. I had mentioned that I wasn't sure on how I felt about the taillight, and then I had said that they were growing on me, and that was it. It didn't grow on me. So I got rid of the taillights. I put the OEMs back on there. As you can see, sold the other ones for like $100. Lost like $80, but I don't care, to be honest, because with that money I threw at this is a taillight kit. It's a stage 1 taillight kit that I got from Tacoma Beast website. It was like $130, and this kit is pretty dope. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec what it does. I'm gonna really quick install one side, and then I'll show you side by side on what it does. These are what these are going to be using. These are the reverse, they're switchbacks for the turn signal amber and reverse clear light. This is the harness that we're going to be using. Connects right to the OEM. I'll show you guys in a bit. Alright, I'm going to try to explain this really quick for those that are looking to get or interested in getting this kit. So here's the OEM harness for the tail light. You literally unplug all the lights, which is what you see here in that order: reverse, and then I believe it's the brake and then turn signal, or vice versa, I forget, but anyways, doesn't matter. Top, middle, bottom. Unplug it. You're not gonna need these lights anymore. Put that aside. This is what you're gonna need still, so keep that. Now grab your harness. It's literally plug and play. There's a male and female, can't get it wrong. Triangle to triangle. Clicks right in. And for the other one, and then the reverse. Boom. And now you have these three left. I don't think you're gonna need this anymore. Correct myself here. The reverse light you won't need, so you can go ahead and put this back, put it aside. Don't need this anymore. Keep it in case you ever want to go back. Don't lose that. From bottom, middle, top. Bottom, middle, top. Have your lights here. That. These four are all the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them. This is the middle. And then for the reverse, plug this in right here. Now you just want to make sure, before I bolt this back up, make sure it turns on. Okay, that's good. Alright, so everything's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on. Let me show you a quick comparison. I know there's a lot of light out, but hopefully you can still tell the difference. You see that? You got like this whole backwards C lit up rather than just a corner. So that gives you a little idea of what the kit does. Now let me go ahead and put on the emergency lights. There you have it. So that acts as a turn signal as well. And then let me show you the reverse lights. There you have it. Switchback. That's what I love about it. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed that quick little install. It is super easy to do. Honestly, it's literally plug and play. I mean, there's plenty of how-to videos out there if you guys are a little confused on how to do it, but I feel like I covered it pretty well. It's all straightforward. There's only one way these female and male connectors plug in, so pretty simple, easy. Now I am going to be getting these taillights tinted to make it look a little more aggressive, but that's definitely the move. Maxo Customs stage 1 taillight kit. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys are interested, but let me know what you guys think on it. Did I make the right move, or did you guys like the old taillights better? Let me know in the comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and guys, remember why you started.